Clear the runway, clear the runway to your heart. Clear the runway for my love. Well, welcome to Winthrop Street and Crescent Road in Winchester, Massachusetts. There's the home of Stephen Polly's, a friend of mine in school. As we come towards Crescent Road, there is a story. In one of these houses, there lived an openly lesbian couple. This, by the way, was long before the Stonewall riots, the start of gay liberation. So this puts Crescent Road in Winchester, Massachusetts on the same map as Polk Street in San Francisco and Greenwich Village. So let's celebrate with a rainbow on Crescent Road. I met my friend Peter Jocelyn here in this brown house where they lived for a while before they moved further up the hill. The Morgans moved in, and Peter Jocelyn was fascinated by the vintage Packard car that Mr. Morgan had. The blue house was the home of Mr. Hurliston, a college professor and a well-loved father of the neighborhood. Let's stay out of the way of those bicyclists as we look at the home of the Simons. The Simons' adult son was interested in electronics. I tutored him to help him start on a journey to a career in electrical engineering while I was a child, mind you. Roland Moody and his family lived in the small, cozy little house you see. He was the dean of libraries at Northeastern University in Boston. The house you see up on the hill was the new home of Peter Jocelyn and his family. We're going to... Oh, there's Peter. Hi, Peter. He's going up the hill on home. Well, there's our house, but let's check out the end of Crescent Road. First, there's the Stoffagens house, and then the Greens. The Greens were the family who bought our home when we moved from Winchester to Marion. Well, let's head up the stairway to heaven, to the party. And by the way, here's one of our guests. He wants to take a quick peek around the neighborhood, so hello, Eric. Welcome to the party. By the way, when I was a child, my chore every wintertime was to shovel the snow off of this long stairway to heaven. That was my good deed for the Boy Scouts. I was a member of Troop 503 at the First Congregational Church here in Winchester in the 60s. There you get a nice peek at the neighborhood from our front porch, and let's head on in to our humble abode. My dear sister Susan called these frosted gook. These were the Allen frosted brownies that are a candidate for the Nobel Prize in Culinary Arts. They were a culinary delight for Winchester and the Allen family. The bad news is Winchester is very strict about cannabis, so I could not include that fine ingredient. Oops, the telephone is ringing.
Hello? Oh, hi Patty. How are you doing today? Mark is setting up for an illegal rave tonight here at 17 Crescent Road, and you're welcome to come down. Now, honey, don't worry about the police. They're too busy trying to figure out who stole all the TV sets from the town dump. Little do they know that it was Mark who took all the old TV sets so he could fix one up so I can watch people dance while I play The Man I Love on our brand new Bennett piano that you gave us for Christmas. So thank you very, very much. Again, you're welcome to come down. I know it's a 2-hour drive from New Hampshire, but this is a slumber party. You can kind of hang out with us all night, all week, all year. So bring the kids, bring everybody in Troy, New Hampshire down. We love to see you. So Oops, I think we better get going, so love you. Bye-bye. Oh, thank you, Mark. And can you please help push the bench in? It sticks on the floor. There, thank you. And I'll start playing the man I love. Hi, Jenny, I've got your new light controller ready. You can do everything with the lights in the house with this. Oh, thank you, Johan. That makes things really easy. Good luck dancing.
The man I love is a rose in the gardens of my heart. He's a star in the sky, that guiding light that beckons us from afar and brings us home. You are all welcome to his holy light. Come on home into his heart. Come to his embracing love.